How's it going, guys? This is James with Vending. Got my crew with me today because I kind of made a boo-boo on my knee. Got a little Riley. Riley, you ready to look at a vending machine? Can you say vending machine? Good job. So we're currently headed about 30 minutes out to look at two AP 6600 machines. Here looking at them, and they're actually USIs. They're super clean and nice. Say hi.
Hi. Stay right there.
Stars!
Salad.
Stars!
Salad.
Do you miss hockey?
Alright, so we had to stop and get some food. They made them the 30-minute ride. We live in Texas, so we eat at Whataburger. You excited to eat at Whataburger?
Yes.
You just got this brand new machine. You know nothing about it. You don't even know if it works yet. So what do? Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this brand new USI machine. We're gonna plug it into power, make sure everything kicks on. You should hear the bill validator kick on. Make sure we can see the display if it has a display. We wanna see if it takes money, right? If it can make a selection and vend a product. What we're gonna do then, open it up, and we're gonna put money into the coin acceptor. We wanna make sure that we put at least half full in the coin acceptor. If you wanna go all the way full, you're more than welcome to. We at least have to be halfway for everything to work right. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and input a dollar bill, or you can pay with change and make your selection. If everything works, everything turns on and vends, looks like you got a working machine. What I found is usually if most of them work, then they all do. That's not always true, so you might want to go ahead and continue testing all of them. All right, so we got one of the USI machines we bought yesterday, and we got a Pepsi machine from my first video. We're gonna go ahead and take these on location. Just went in and looked at it. Looks like it's a pretty nice business. It's also a warehouse, and it has people that do office work. So here it is. We're gonna back the trailer up and put it in there. Got the machines in the truck. Got the helpers, Mr. Tommy and my brother Mark. Nice little warehouse. Gonna get these babies off. Cracky. All right, we're back out here. I'm gonna go fill the machine. So we're finally home after being on location all day. We wrapped it up pretty quickly there. They were starting to close, and we actually had some other stuff we had to go get done. Everything finished beautifully. The machines look great. Customer was super happy. That's how you go from buying a machine one night and putting it on location 2 days later. So if you like the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that little bell down there on the bottom. That way you can get notified when all my videos come. If you have any suggestions, questions, or comments, please feel free. Let me know what you think.